Ituria kieha niriombete kaunti-ini ya Baringo magicakaya ikuũ cia endwa ao aria makuire mutino-ini wa barabara guku magikaira thirikari igacirithie ugitiri mwena ucio. Akihimbiria uhoro ucio, Governor wa Turukana Josephat Nanok uria uracereire aria magurarire mutino-ini ucio ni oritie thirikari imateithiririe kuona aria makuire ni mathikwo na aria magurarire ni marigitwo uria kwagiriire.
But public transport has been paralyzed. There are no businessmen who want to invest into that. So government vehicles have become the only means that people can be able to hike a lift to go and buy food, businessmen also.
Hadini hake Governor wa Baringo Stanley Kiptith ni oritie thirikari imateithiririe kuhitana na imaramari iria ikoretwo igithararia thayo hamwe na ukui mwena ucio undu uria ucungireirie andu gukorwo magikuo na ngari cia maobitha a ugitiri.
We have lost a number of our population just through accidents. So we are only saying sorry and we appeal for assistance from the national government, especially during the burial of the affected.
Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni yugite ni kuruta ngari ingi kuri borithi a mwena ucio ithenya-ini ya iria iragwire. Ngirifuatira ceceni ya Kameme TV, ndetagwo Njeri wa Kamau.